Hey guys, welcome to my mama's delicious recipes. Today we are going to make easy chicken curry, so let's get started. So first we are going to marinate the chicken. So we have washed the chicken. Now we are going to add 2 teaspoons of salt to it. And 2.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder to it. We are going to mix it well. And we will keep this marinated chicken like this for around 30 minutes. Now we are going to take a mixing jar and we are going to add 1 medium chopped onion, 1 inch of ginger, 5 slices of garlic and 1 tomato cut into 4 pieces. We will make a fine smooth paste of it. So now we are going to heat up a kadhai and add 4 tablespoons of mustard oil to it. We will allow the oil to heat up a bit. Now we are going to add half teaspoon of sugar to it to maintain the color. We are going to add the onions. So this is 1 onion cut into medium slices. You can see the slices. We will saute them a bit. Now we are going to add the paste of onions, ginger, garlic and tomatoes to it. We will mix the paste with the onions. Now we are going to add around 2.5 teaspoon of salt to it. And 2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So we will mix them. Now we are going to add 2 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. We will mix them all together. Now we are going to add 2 teaspoons of curry powder to it. We will mix it also. Now we are going to add 1 cup of water to it. We will cover it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes you can see the water has evaporated and the paste is so thick, and we are going to add the marinated chicken to it. We will mix the chicken with the paste. We have mixed the paste with the chicken, you can see. Now we are going to cover it for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes you can see the color has started changing a bit. It it has become a little bit brown. We will cover it for 5 minutes again. So we have not put water in it, but the chicken has spilled out some water. Now we are going to add 2 teaspoons of chicken masala to it and we will mix it well. So we will be mixing this at regular intervals now. Now we will cover it for again 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see the water has started coming from the chicken again, and you remember we have not added water till now after the chicken has been put. We will add 1 cup of lukewarm water to it now. I said 1 cup of lukewarm water. Please jot it down. Now we will cover it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see the water has evaporated again. Now we will add crushed kasuri methi to it. After adding kasuri methi, we can turn off the flame because our chicken curry is ready. So guys, this was our today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our